Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate almonds. First, you'll want to prepare your almonds properly for the best results. Begin by roasting raw almonds on a baking sheet at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This step enhances their flavor and texture. After roasting, it's crucial to let them cool completely. This prevents the chocolate from seizing when you combine them. Finally, have your favorite chocolate ready, along with any other desired additions. Next, let's melt your chocolate to perfection. A double boiler is ideal for gentle, even melting, or you can use a microwave in short 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Avoid overheating to prevent burning. For a professional, glossy finish and a satisfying snap, consider tempering your chocolate. This involves carefully controlling its temperature, ensuring it sets beautifully and remains stable at room temperature. Stir frequently to achieve a smooth, consistent texture. Now for the fun part, coating your almonds. Once your chocolate is perfectly melted and your almonds are completely cool, combine them. Gently add the roasted almonds to the melted chocolate in a bowl. Stir carefully with a spatula, ensuring every single almond is thoroughly coated in the rich, smooth chocolate. Once coated, spread the chocolate-covered almonds in a single layer onto a sheet of parchment paper. This prevents them from sticking together as they cool and set. To finish, allow your chocolate almonds to set. You can place the parchment paper with the almonds into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes for a quicker set, or simply let them cool at room temperature until the chocolate is firm. Once set, break apart any clusters. Store your delicious chocolate almonds in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their freshness and crunch. They make a wonderful treat or gift. Speaking of treats, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.